In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm to copy YouTube video content. Start by opening Notebooklm in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in to the account you use for Notebooklm, so you can create and save a new notebook. Once Notebooklm loads, take a moment to confirm you are on the main screen, where you can create a new project. Next, look for the option to create a new notebook. Click the plus symbol and then select Create New. This is where you will set up a fresh workspace, so Notebooklm can pull in a source and build outputs from it. Creating a new notebook keeps everything organized, especially if you plan to repeat this process for multiple videos. After you create the notebook, you will see a Sources pop up. This is the key step where you provide the YouTube content you want to work from. Go to YouTube in another tab, copy the full link to the video, then return to Notebooklm. Paste that YouTube link directly into the Sources pop-up. Be careful to paste the complete URL so Notebooklm can recognize it correctly. Once the link is in place, allow a moment for the source to load and process. When the video source is added, move your attention to the right side of the screen. You will see the Studio panel. This panel is where Notebooklm offers tools to generate different kinds of outputs based on the sources you provided. The right side layout helps you keep your source content on one side while you generate results on the other. Inside the Studio panel, click Video Overview. This feature is designed to create a clear overview based on the YouTube video you added as a source. It helps you capture the main ideas and structure of the content in a format you can review quickly. Finally, click Generate. Notebooklm will begin producing the video overview from the source. Give it a little time to finish, especially if the video is long. Once it completes, read through the output carefully. Use it as a reference for understanding the content and verify details against the original video when accuracy matters. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.